Welcome to Tammy's Ripping Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some easy to grill carrot hot dogs. I hope you enjoy. So to start, you'll want to peel and clean 6 to 8 medium-sized carrots. And then you'll want to put them on the stove and boil them for about 7 minutes. You won't want them too soft because you do still have to grill them. And here we have the water, the veggie stock, maple syrup, ground mustard, soy sauce, smoked paprika, rice vinegar, and liquid smoke, and some garlic and onion powder. And now it's time to make your marinade. While those finish boiling, just add everything into the measuring cup and give it a good stir. And once the carrots are all ready, you will want to strain them, and then it's time to add the marinade. So you could do like I did here and keep them in the pan, but then I decided I should just put them in a bag, so you just put the carrots in the bag and dump the marinade in. They can be marinated overnight, or 2 to 3 hours should be good too. Now I love a nice toasty bun with some butter and garlic, so that's what I'm doing here. Just cut the buns open, put the butter on, and sprinkle with some garlic powder. And then you'll just put it into the oven on broil for a couple minutes on low. And so hopefully you won't do what I did. I had turned my oven on forgetting that I put my buns in already. So the buns came out really toasty and crispy. That wasn't my intention, but hopefully that won't happen to you. That's why my buns are a little extra crispy. You can't really tell here, but the underside got really toasty. So here I've preheated my grill, sprayed it with Pam, put on the carrots, and grilled for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally. And now they'll be all ready to plate up. So there you go, some very easy to grill carrot hot dogs. So these ones were my hubby's, and then I did the single hot dog. So I think if you're a hot dog lover, you will absolutely love these. I hope you give them a try. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.